Today, we're going to talk about how to build your photography portfolio. What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata, and today we're going to talk about how to build your photography portfolio. One of the things I want to cover for you is the importance of having a strong portfolio. As a photographer, if you want clients to hire you, it does not matter what type of photographer you are. You could be a wedding photographer, boudoir, family. They have to see your work. No one is going to hire you if your work just isn't up to par, right? And you have to realize that when you're building your portfolio, sometimes you have to work for your clients, but other times you have to do work for yourself, the type of work you want people to hire you for. So every year I try to make it a point to invest in my portfolio, and you can do this as well. And so today what we did was we rented a location off Peerspace, and I highly recommend you check out that site. So we're in New York City, we rented this space out, and here I have multiple styled shoots, multiple hair and makeup looks, multiple lighting setups, and what this is allowing me to do is to invest in my portfolio. And so you have to step away from this and ask yourself, what type of work do I want moving forward? What do I want my brand to represent or look like? And again, if you want to be high fashion, super dramatic with your lighting, then you have to build a portfolio that reflects that. If you want to incorporate use of gels and colors, you have to build a portfolio that shows that. So what I want you to do is step away, and what you're going to see are the shoots that we did while we're here in Peerspace. How many different looks we had, how we used a single location to have 3, 4, 5 different setups that all look completely different. The beauty of going out and renting a space that you find on Peerspace. You can do this anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world really. They have access to these very, very unique locations. In fact, you can actually incorporate that fee, that rental fee, into your client work, right? So you can say to your clients, hey, I'm gonna do some unique work for you, but you have to cover the cost of this unique location. So that gets you out of your studio, out of the element where you're doing the same work on the same color background over and over again, or you're going to the park with green trees, because that's super unique, right? So this gives you the ability to go off and do that kind of unique work. And so here today, that's what we did. I hope you like the results you're seeing. And like I said, this is the way to build your portfolio and start attracting the type of clients that are going to spend more money with you. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so that you are notified anytime we release a new video. We'll see you in the next one.